We'll guide you through how to make art text in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this highly detailed tutorial today, carefully open Adobe Photoshop and safely create a perfectly new blank document with a solid white or dark background. Smoothly navigate to the left toolbar and securely select the standard horizontal type tool. Firmly click the absolute canvas center and type your chosen word. Make absolutely sure the exact text color flawlessly matches the background. For example, if the background is pure white, simply use white text. Smoothly click and drag your cursor to totally highlight it. Carefully use the top options bar to accurately select a very thick, heavy font so the colorful paint effortlessly shows right through. Safely increase the font size to totally make the text completely massive, easily filling the canvas. Now we absolutely need our colorful element. Go to File, then Place Embedded. Browse your computer and select a high-quality image of a colorful paint splash, watercolor, or ink explosion. Click Place to completely import this amazingly colorful image. The image naturally appears safely with a transform box. Drag the corner handles to carefully resize the image completely until it totally covers your specific text. Navigate to your Layers panel safely on the bottom right side. Carefully look at the exact order. The splash layer must securely sit directly on top of your text layer. Smoothly hover your mouse cursor exactly on the absolute dividing line safely between the splash and text layers. Firmly hold down the standard Alt key or the Option key completely safely on Mac. Watch your active cursor extremely carefully. It magically changes completely into a very small square with a downward arrow. When you clearly see the arrow, firmly click your left mouse button exactly once right now. This action absolutely instantly creates a perfect clipping mask, successfully forcing the beautiful paint to miraculously appear entirely only deep inside your specific individual solid letters. Finally, safely click your text layer, securely open blending options, and simply add a beautifully soft drop shadow to amazingly and completely separate all the incredibly vibrant letters from the standard simple solid static background perfectly successfully right here, exactly safely today.